Here's a quick tutorial on how you can generate art using Dall-E. First, you'll want to open your browser. Tap the search bar and search Dall-E. Tap the first website that will show. Once on the website, tap Sign Up. You can create an account by using your email address. Tap the Start Creating with Dall-E button. Here you'll input the description of the art you want to generate. The more description you add, the more detailed it'll get. Tap the Generate button once you're done inputting the description you wanted. Wait for it to generate the images. You can add more description if you're not satisfied with the images. To download it, tap the image and tap the download icon. You now successfully generated an art using artificial intelligence. Like and subscribe if it helped.